Hello again. This is my second video regarding PHP tokens for the first week of this course. Tokens means smallest unit of programming that build the program. In PHP, six different tokens are there: literals, identifiers, keywords, data types, variables, operators. Start with first literals. Literal is a constant value that appears directly in a program. That is actually the value which we are assigning in the variable. That we called it as a literal. Second, identifiers. Identifier is the user defined name given to variables, function, constant, or class. There are some rules for giving name to the identifier. It must start with letter or underscore sign. It contains alphanumeric character and underscores. It doesn't contain any space, and there is no limit for the length in the identifier name in PHP. Here, some identifiers are there. Variable names treated as an identifier, case sensitive, as well as begin with a dollar sign. Some examples are given. Second, function names, they are not case sensitive. Class name, they are also not case sensitive. STD class is the reserve class name, and the constant that also take it as a identifier. Then keywords. Keywords are the reserved words that cannot be used for naming identifiers. They are case insensitive. Some examples: and, if, else, for, while, echo, exit, and many more. PHP data types. Three different categories are there: scalar data types, compound data types, special data types. In scalar data types, integer, float, boolean, string. In compound data types, array and object. In special data types, resource and null. Now, variables. Variables are used to store value. We can change the value of variable during the program execution. Here in PHP, variable names start with dollar sign. There is no data type concept. There is data type, but for variable declaration, no data type declaration is required. It will take it directly by the value. How we assign the value? To suppose, here is one example: dollar name equal to Darshana. It's a string variable. PHP is a loosely typed language, so there is no data type given at the time of variable declaration. We can also reassign the variable, like $var equal to 50, so your string variable is directly converted into the numeric, that is integer. Last is the operators. Three categories are there: unary, binary, and ternary. In unary, negation, increment, decrement, and casting operators are there. In binary, arithmetic, assignment, concatenation, comparison, logical, and bitwise operators. And in ternary, conditional operators are there. So this is